So rational expressions are when you have a polynomial over another polynomial. I don't know what that extra line is there, ignore that. Okay, so that's the definition of a rational expression. So we have an example over here where you have a polynomial in the numerator and one in the denominator. Now, the first thing we're going to talk about is how we simplify them. And sometimes students think, oh, I can just cross out those x squareds, but you can't. You can only cancel things that are factors. So the rule is for simplifying a rational expression, you're going to factor the numerator, you're going to factor the denominator, and then you're going to see if there's anything that can cancel. And you do have to write the answer, so I'll just put that in as a fourth step, but probably goes without saying. All right, so if I'm looking at this example that I have, I want to factor this right here. So I want to think of two numbers that multiply to be 16 and add to be 8. And those numbers are 4 and 4. Now that happens to be a perfect square trinomial, so you might have thought of that as well. But this factors into the numerator, factors into x plus 4 times x plus 4. You could write that as x plus 4 squared, but you don't have to. Okay, now we're going to look at the denominator and factor that. So I want two numbers that multiply to be 28 and add to be 11. And that's going to be 4 and 7. So, by the way, both of those polynomials were trinomials, and they both had a leading coefficient of 1. Okay, so we got 4 and 7 as the two numbers. That means we'll have a factor of x plus 4 and a factor of x plus 7 in the denominator. So now to simplify, we look and see if any of the factors are the same in the numerator as the denominator. So I can cancel that x plus 4 with that x plus 4. That's all I can do, but you know, that was exciting. So the answer is going to be x plus 4 over x plus 7. That's the answer. Now you could put parentheses around the numerator and the denominator if you want to, but it's not necessary. Okay, so we have another example in the next video.